Hello and welcome back to the Man facility. Today we're working on the waste oil burner again. It's flue day. So this is the flue that I've cut. Left it long enough for 1 metre above the roof height. It's just cut from the length of 4-inch steel tubing that I acquired. It's not proper flue pipe, and as you can see it was quite badly rusted, so we wire brushed it and gave it 2 coats of wood stove paint. That won't last forever, but it's easy enough to recover it. I bought a stainless steel roof flue cap, but I bought the wrong size. I bought the same size as the pipe, so it wouldn't fit, so I cut the sleeve off. 4 little holes, some little holes in the flue, so I'll just screw it on. Doing that I've managed to lower it down. As you can see, the gap's smaller. It would have sat about there, which is too big. You get rain running down there. So there we go. I might have to adjust it at some point. Then as it goes through the roof, put a high temperature multi-use flue pipe. Another one from eBay. As you can see, it's got measurements on the side there. Just cut that to the right size and fit it. I paid the extra £8 and got the high temperature silicone and the roofing bolts with it. Now it's designed for a steel roof, but I've got a concrete roof. So what I'm going to have to do there is put some nuts on the back of these once they're through. And for a bit of a laugh, got some laser cut letters. Another eBay, £1 something each. Quite a decent thickness on there. See how we get on today. And after about an hour, this is where we are so far. Cut a hole in the roof there, very rough hole. I didn't have a hole saw big enough, so I used a grinder. Obviously I wore a dust mask. There we go. So the flue's now up. I managed to get it into there by about an inch and a half. I wanted it to go all the way to that maximum mark, but there's no way it's going in there. It's cold. So once it's warmed up a bit, I can knock it in. The next step is the roof flashing. And there we go, all sorted. I was a little bit worried that the steel screws wouldn't bite into the concrete sheets, but they've done alright. Pretty solid in there. We've got the cap on. Next step, make fire. Right, here we go. I cheated, I've had it lit. And it turns out the stove paint that was on it wasn't stove paint, it was Dulux. So, smoked the garage out. It does get hot. You know, there's inside. I've also, because it's got the water jacket, I've also rigged in a high powered extractor fan to blow air through it. It's not quite powerful enough. I do have a trampoline, a bouncy castle fan to go in there, so that should do the trick. I've dragged some heat shields out from car exhaust heat shields. I don't really like how they look, but we'll see how we get on with that. Right, let's light it. Chuck that in there. If we can get it to go in. There is already one in there. No, it's not going in. There we go. Right, so that's now in there. So we'll close the door. You can see it's in there. Now the next trick. Put some kerosene in there. Should be enough. Smoke. Just need to wait a few minutes now for that to take, and then we'll turn the oil on. So it's now burning all the way around. We'll shut the lid, we'll turn the oil on. in a second. There we go, nice steady stream of oil coming out there. So we're now running on oil. So it's the last video. Been to the charity shop and I bought a clear glass lid for that. I do a lot of grinding, I don't want any sparks going in. Plus I can see how much oil's left. There we go. So now we're lit. We're burning. Temperature gauge there. Just open the flue. You can hear the roar. Got a decent draw on there. Just need to wait for the flue to warm up. And it does get hot. There we go, it's been running 5 minutes now. Got nearly 200 degrees centigrade on there, nearly 400 Fahrenheit on the flue temperature. Using minimal oil. If I just flick this up, it will fill the workshop with smoke, but just see the size of the flames in there. And the air coming out here is it's too hot to put your hand on it. There we go. Job's a fish. I'd like to thank you for visiting today. If you like what you've seen, just like it and subscribe. Plenty more videos to come. See ya.